Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a survey form for your WordPress website quickly, easily, and without touching a single line of code. If you want to collect feedback, run polls, or better understand your visitors, this is the perfect feature to add. So let's dive right in. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to your WordPress website. Once the page loads, you'll see your familiar homepage interface. At the top right corner, click on the login button to access your account. When the login page appears, you'll see a few sign-in options. To make things faster and more secure, click on Continue with Google. A small window may pop up asking you to choose your Google account. Just select the one you want to use for WordPress. This method makes the sign-in process quick and seamless. Once you've logged in successfully, you'll land on your WordPress dashboard. Now that you're inside, look for the plus icon at the top left corner. Here, you'll see multiple options. Click whatever you want to do. Click that. This will open your website in edit mode where you can start making changes. When your editing screen loads, select the website you'd like to add the survey form to. This will open the editor view of your site. Now, pay attention to the top left corner of the editor. You'll notice a small plus icon. This is the Add Block button that lets you insert new elements into your page. Click on the plus icon to open the block search bar. In the search bar, type *survey*. WordPress will quickly filter through all available blocks and show you the survey form option. Once you see it, go ahead and click on it to add the survey block to your page. Now that the block is in place, it's time to connect your actual survey form. If you've already created a survey using a tool like Google Forms or Typeform, simply copy its share link. Back in WordPress, paste that link into the field that says Enter your survey form URL. Once you've entered the link, click the Embed button. Just like that, your survey form is now live and ready for visitors to interact with right from your WordPress site. Before wrapping up, there's one final but crucial step. Save your changes. Go to the top right corner of your editor and click on Save. This ensures all your edits and your newly embedded survey form are properly stored. And that's it. You've successfully added a fully functional survey form to your WordPress website in just a few minutes. Now your visitors can easily share their feedback, helping you learn more about what they want and how you can improve your content or services. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more quick WordPress tips just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.